Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. In today's video, we are going to solve one of the most popular array problem from the LeetCode, that is the rotate array. And now this problem looks simple at first, but there is a twist. You have to rotate the array in place. Yes, we do not have to return anything. Modify nums in place instead. So without using any extra space, right? And today I will show you the most optimal approach using the reverse technique, which runs in the big of n time and big of 1 space. So let's get started. So let's read the problem statement. Given an integer array nums, rotate the array to the right by k steps where k is non-negative number. So we are given an array nums, rotate the array by to the right by k step. Like I have an array nums 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and k is equal to 3. We have to just maybe rotation here, like rotate one step to the right, so 7 comes at the 0th index and the all comes at the move forward. Now in the second step 6 comes at the 0th index and now 7 1 2 3 4 5 forward moves forward. In the rotate 3 steps, 5 comes at the 0th index, from this last index comes to 0th, and all the comes at moves forward, right? So we have a approach like in this video we are seeing the most optimal approach using the reverse method. And instead of shifting array element one by one, we use a smart trick. Like here we are just shift the 7 at the 0th index and move all the forward. Means take out the 7 for in a temporary variable and move this variable, this complete array moves forward. And same for the 5, just take out into the temporary array and moves forward. So instead of using that move forward method, just use a reverse method. In this, reverse the array. Like I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Just reverse the array. Reverse becomes 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Now reverse the first k element. Here k is the 3, means we have to this first k element is the 0 1 2 3 7 6 5 is the, now becomes 5 6 7. I just reverse this one, right? And now in the last step, reverse the remaining element, this 4 3 2 1. Just reverse this for that 1 2 3 4. So this gives us the rotated array efficiently, right? So our desired output is the 5 6 7 1 2 3 4. And here also I get 5 6 7 1 2 3 4. Just between at 2 steps, within a 2 step I get the answer here, right? In the 3 step, first reverse the entire array, then reverse the first k element, then reverse the last k element. So let's write the code for this. For this, let n equal to nums.length. And here catch is the like k is a non-negative number, so I am assured that it's not be non-negative, so it's become a 0 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 up to infinity, means as expected, as given by problem. So imagine here is the 3, k is equal to 3. Imagine if k is equal to 7, then what you will do, you have to rotate entire array again and again 7 times, and you again get the in the result this similar the original array, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, the original array you will get. Then why we need to again rotate the array? So for that condition we have to just write one thing, k equal to k modulo n. Here k equal to k modulo n means we just, if it is a 7, means 7 modulo 1, this becomes 1, means a 0. So we get the, there is no need to means it removes the our rotation. If k is equal to 14, then so again we have to rotate 2 times. No, it's just remove these extra rotation hours. So just right here, let's make a function that function is a reverse function. I'm writing our reverse function, our modify reverse function. We have in JavaScript, we have a reverse function, but that not works here perfectly, I think. So I just write my own reverse function. It's take the array and the starting index and the ending index. So start with the while start is the smaller than end, and let temporary array equal to array of start. I don't think anyone has the problem with the reverse function, because this one is a basic reversing an array of end, and array of end takes the temporary value, and start plus plus and minus minus. So this is just a basic reverse function, normal. Now let's write here reverse gives the nums array. Here we have to first reverse the whole array 0 to n minus 1. Then reverse the first k element 0 to k minus 1 element. Then in last reverse nums from kth element to the n minus 1 element, right? And we do not need to return anything, just modify the nums in place. So we are replace what happened to this. Okay, I just write here the dot. I have to write here the comma, not the dot. Yes, it is separate. Let's try to submit the solution. Yes, our solution is accepted and 44 test cases are passed. So this one is a most optimized solution for this rotation of array. In this work, in this problem, in this solution, we avoid shifting elements multiple times. Like we just store the temporary, take a temporary array and store the last element and moves forward the entire array. Then again take the last element, move forward the entire array. So we just means avoid the shifting elements multiple times, and everything happen in place in the nums array. And time complexity here is big of 1, and space complexity here is big of 1. And also we are avoiding the extra rotation by just use the modulo operator k modulo n. So these are the some benefits of this solution, of this solution. So, and that's how you solve the rotate array problem using the most optimal reverse approach. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, comment if you have any doubt, and subscribe to JDCodebase for more LeetCode solution. Next video we will tackle another interesting problem, so stay tuned. See you in the next video.